The NXT24. Big presence, bigger sessions. At 24 feet, it's the largest in the NXT lineup, purpose-built for crews who want more room, more wave, and more all-day capability. With SurfStar, you get waves that are clean, consistent, and customizable. Hit a rapid surf preset or fine-tune it with ballast, speed, and surf device position. Standard NXT faster fill means you're ready to ride in minutes. Power comes from the Ilmor 5.3-liter GDI high-output engine, delivering 380 horsepower and 407 pound-feet of torque. It's fuel-efficient, reliable, and ready to run all day. Step inside and it feels sharper, smarter, more refined. New pleated upholstery zones, RGB lighting with 11 controllable zones, and upgraded courtesy lights set the tone, while Coolfield vinyl keeps seats up to 30% cooler. Hinged storage, wraparound seating, and an optional convertible flip seat make room for up to 16, plus all the gear too. At the helm, a 7-inch touchscreen with SurfStar controls and keyless ignition comes standard. All new sleep and away modes put power management on autopilot, while a wireless phone charger and ergonomic captain's chair make running the boat as effortless as riding behind it. And then there's Soundstage, our all-new audio system that's directional, tuned for each model, and built for life on the water. Crisp, balanced, and customizable so the vibes always match the ride. Top it all off with the Z6 Tower, now in white, flint gray, or black, and new gel coat and upholstery colors to make it yours. Sharper style, smarter systems, same ready-for-anything attitude. Looking for a deeper dive into all the NXT family has to offer? Head to our site to watch the full walkthrough video.